So Bayset is a specialist trade supplier in waterproofing, flooring and concrete repair, and they have a strong technical focus. So MANCADEN was developed by Soprema in Canada as a system to improve installation for their taut film membranes. Bayset have 4 units that they operate in Australia, and they can be moved to any of the branches anywhere along the East Coast. It provides a lot of benefit over conventional torch-on, be it speed, you get even heat distribution, so you can get through a lot more meters in a shorter period of time and guarantee that the result is going to be 100%. Bayset are the exclusive distributor for Soprema on the east coast of Australia. They have a wide range of products, including products for below ground applications, rooftops and plaza decks. Bayset offer a wide range of technical support to their customers. This includes on-site QA inspections, specifications, and just general problem solving and technical help. So Bayset is a multi-brand stockist, and we deal with a lot of the major suppliers in Australia. So for this project, Bayset have done a pre-start meeting. I compiled a project specification for the project. We decided that the MANCADEN would be a good fit for the project. We made sure that the machines were here and serviced in Sydney, and then Steve Russell, our National Technical Manager, came down from Queensland to train Full Spec Group on its running. So Full Spec Group have been a great contractor to work with. I've worked with them on a number of projects so far. Their work has always been of a very high standard, and yeah, looking forward to work on many other projects in the future with the guys. Bayset as a company are growing, looking to always expand in the future, continue on with the partnerships that we've got with suppliers and contractors alike, looking at innovating and providing technical solutions going forward.